Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Oriental Carpet Thailand. We sell carpets, we wash carpets, we repair carpets, and one thing that we do as well is that we have a professional framing service made to order as well. Today, I'm going to show you how we make frames. Our frames factory located in the Bangkok Branch Showroom, Sukhumvit 33, and it is located on the third floor of our showroom. We have all kinds of woods, aluminum, and imported plastic frames. Our frames are skillfully crafted on a made-to-order basis and is done by our specialists. We have wide selections of frames done by our experienced technicians that will help you create a perfect masterpiece frames. Every piece of artwork you bring to us is important to you, so is important to us as well. On selecting a frame's matchings to best showcase of your carpets, painting, watercolors, photography, oil and canvas sketching, prints and posters, certificate, drawings, and or mirror, our designer consultant will help work closely with you. We pay attention to all the details just like the work hanging in our gallery. We can help you hand stitch any piece of your artwork into frames in any size. Moreover, we also provide compressing and enlarging images services in any size with our high quality machines, print at reasonable prices. So if you're looking for a professional framing service, we are here to help you. We have a large selections of frames for you to choose, and we have free pickup and delivery services as well. On every piece of frames that we have done with all the hard work and guarantee you that every piece of frames are very high quality frames. If you need any more information, please don't hesitate to contact us. We have shopped in Bangkok, Hua Hin, and Pattaya. Thank you so much for watching and see you in next video.